Go.
What is up? I'm Logan Shaw, sponsored my channel. We're also going to upload this on the Linda and Heather Show. Look it up. And we're out here with...
Reaps, y'all. How y'all doing? It's good to see y'all again. And hopefully, if y'all don't know me, look my channel up. IREAPZZ.
And we're out here with these new edition paintball guns. We will be killing. We will be killing. This is a Modern Warfare simulation. We are not playing with this. We are not playing. Alright, let's do our little intro. I'm Linda. I'm Heather. We're best friends. Modern Warfare style. Pause. Alright, just look at the time. I pause it. How do you restart it? So tell me who's gonna be this camera? Dang it, we don't have two cameras. Sure?
Yep, let's go.
And me and Vernon going together? No, I'm cameraman.
You're following your sponsor. So you're following him. Every man for himself. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
Free for all. Go! I will yell game start. That means you do not stand in blind sight. That means you need to find somewhere and go. Every man for himself.
So we're gonna be back in the middle, right? Hey, we're gonna be back in the middle, right? Dusty, we gonna be in the middle?
Everywhere. If you should do somebody like this, say put your hands out and drop the gun. Then that's nerve. Go.
Let's go.
Okay, I got you.
Huh?
You want me to start recording?
Yeah.
Just go. I got you.
Alright, so.
Wait, so when I press this, it starts?
Yeah, it's playing right now still.
Oh my gosh. So, we're out here in these streets. So Logan will be telling us how to do this. Logan, aka Linda, of the Linda and Heather Show. L-Y, something else. And Heather, whatever. Spell Linda with L-Y. Look behind you, Linda. Look behind you, Linda. That's the other that's the battlefield. Let me go check out Linda. So what happened, Linda?
I won, bro. I'm still sitting there fucking shooting. I haven't
So,
like that and go like this shit.
Logan Shaw, aka Linda, just killed this guy right here. No, letting you know that.
You're up. 5-minute respawn. You cannot spawn trap them. That means you first. Play. Seriously. Disperse.
Okay, back at it again. We showing them boys how to play. Logan killed like 5.
It would be better.
Logan.
Okay, YouTube. If you know this, maybe it'd be better if you had actual Nerf dogs to stop being such a big beast about I shot you, no you didn't, I shot you.
It's good. We're still winning in this joint. Let's go.
Real water and real darts, we'd be killing it. So
He's out here. He killed like 5 people already in the game.
there's not even 5 people playing.
For sure. He killed like 5 people already. He's the killer of the game. He's the match player. No one can stop him. He's back at it again. Someone's following him. He probably has a kill on his hands. Sorry. You good, Logan? You good? Get out. Got him. Let's go. He got him. Woo! Good kill, Linda. Good work on the kill, Linda. Good work on the kill. Get on. I like that. How. Linda has this man for hostage. About to shoot him. Hey, can I shoot him, Linda?
Go for it, Heather.
I got you.
Together. 1, 2, 3.
Get off of him. I don't want to shoot you, man.
I got you.
Take it. My gun isn't loaded. Ah. Thanks. My gun wasn't loaded at the time. Good shot. Whew. Whew.
This is how we do it, Lyndon. Head away.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now.
What? I gotta go to the middle. Alright.
Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. I love you, Olivia, by the way. Got him, let's go, good kills. Whoa! Lyndon had the one! Lyndon had the one! Woo!
Nah, not game over.
Woo!
Hey, not game over. 20 kills, so let's go.
20.
Yeah, let's go.
I got 5.
He got 5 kills, he needs 20.
You don't even move it.
You gotta go, Linda. This way.
Go that way.
Come on, Linda.
I'm winning so far.
Different round. Linda killed everybody. He only got 5 kills, but he needs 20. He has the lead scoring right now. Let's go. Kills, come on. Kills. I got you. Linda's in the bushes. You see him moving? Yeah. There he is. I'm gonna catch a kill cam. Yeah, baby. Come on here. Get cute. I'm gonna get you kill. We got one. You see him? He's walking right there. We gotta pray. The predator has his prey. Go for it. Whoa! 6! Let's go, baby. One behind the car. Jamal, you got healed. Go look. Linda, you got killed. Linda. You got killed. He got killed, now he respawned, but we have to get back in the game. He's still winning. He has 10 kills. 10 kills.
Ah, baby.
Oh, he just killed 2 people.
Killed Dustin and Ricky.
He killed our sponsor and Ricky.
That's 10.
And Jeremiah. That's 10. 11. That's 11.
Hey, we need to be playing. Look. Go that way.
It's
Not
11.
playing back there. That way.
It's 11, baby.
That's 11. We have 11 on our hands. We may win this game.
Turn the light on so we can see. This is dark. Alright, I'm sorry, YouTube. I couldn't win because my battery's almost done, so I gotta hurry up and upload this. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you subscribe. Hope you subscribe to Lyndon.
Lyndon Heather, baby.
Alright, peace.